Wel dyma ni'n dŵad gyfeillion diniwad I ofyn cawn denad, I ofyn cawn denad, I ofyn cawn denad I ganu. And that means something like, well, here we come calling, my friends, we are singing, we hope you are willing, we hope you are willing, you hope you are willing to hear us. So the party with the Mari might be outside the house and they might start singing Dyma ni'n dŵad gyfeillion diniwad I ofyn cawn genad I ganu. Which means something like, my friends, here we are coming, asking permission to sing. And then they might sing, os na chawn I genad, rhowch glywed ar ganiad, pa fodd ma'r madawiad nos heno. If we don't have permission, then let us know. Let us know in a song, sing back to us, telling us to go away. And then they might sing something like, Mari Lwyd yma, a sers ar ribana, ma'n werth I roi gola i'w gwelad. Here is the Mari Lwyd, with stars and ribbons, and it's worth making light to see her. And then the people inside might reply, because their job to reply, to tell the Mari Lwyd to go away. And they might say something like, Hen Mari Lwyd drian, dos neb am weld rhipan, na ser ar dy dalcan nos heno. You wretched old Mari Lwyd. No one wants to see your ribbons or the stars on your forehead tonight. And then the people on the outside might ask for the sympathy vote. They'd say, ni dorson ein crimpa, wrth groesis te cilla, I ddyfod tiag yma nos heno. We broke our shins crossing stiles coming here tonight. And then those inside might reply with mockery. Saw crumpad ag eisoch, saw sticil ag groesoch, I ddod y ffordd deithoch yn os heno. How many falls, how many injuries to your shins did you have? How many stiles did you cross coming the way you came tonight? And then those outside might well get down to the serious business, which is what they want, because what they want is cake, what they want is food, what they want is beer. So they might sing something like, well, Adishan vrasvelis a phob short o spaces, well, torrwch hi'n rhatis y gwyla. The sweet, rich cake full of spices, slice it up generously for the festivities. And those inside might say they're not going to get anything. They might sing something like, Dos gen I ddim cynno, nag arian I wario, I wneud I chi roeso nos heno. We don't have any dinner or any money to give you to welcome you tonight. But those outside, they will persist and say, well, tapwch a barrel, a llengwch an rigil, na byddwch an gynnil nos heno. Tap the barrel and pour it out generously, and don't be mean tonight. But still those inside, they'll be denying them and saying, well, ma am a Mari Lwyd o gwrw bach splendid. We do have a fine beer on chewch chi'r un llymyd nos heno, but you won't get a drop. But still those outside will persist because they want to be allowed in. And they'll say, tynnwch y bollta, a gorwch y drysa, I voes y cwnseila, rhowch groeso. Pull the bolts, open the doors, and give a welcome to the Mari Lwyd party. And maybe by this time, those inside will give up and open the doors and they'll say, a bollta a dynwn, a drysa a gorwn. We will pull the bolts and open the doors. Arfari groesawn in Gwyla. And we will welcome the Mari to our festivities. Dyma ni'n dŵad gyfeillion dinywad, i ofyn tam genad, i ofyn tam genad, i ofyn tam genad i ganu. Well, here we come calling, my friends, we are singing. We hope you are willing, we hope you are willing, we hope you are willing to hear us. Os na chawn ni ganiad, rwch glywed ar ganiad, pa fod ma'r madawiad, pa fod ma'r madawiad, pa fod ma'r madawiad nos heno. And if you are not willing, then let's hear you singing. Tell us to be going, tell us to be going, tell us to be going from your house. Mari Lwyd yma, llawn sersar i banna, ma'n werth i'r roi gola, ma'n werth i'r roi gola, ma'n werth i'r roi gola i'w gwela. Well, here is the Mari, na pop and a finery. Her eyes are so shiny, her eyes are so shiny, her eyes are so shiny this evening. But those inside, they might sing back here. Mari Lwyd, dos neb am rippan, na serar dy dalcan, na serar dy dalcan, na serar dy dalcan nos heno. A ragged old horsehead with stars on the forehead is not what is needed, is not what is needed, is not what is needed this evening. And then the Mari Lwyd party might sing ni doron yn crimpa wrth groesi sticilla i ddyfodiad yma, i ddyfodiad yma, i ddyfodiad yma nos heno. But inside they reply, sawl grwmpa dy geiso, sawl sticil a groeso, wrth dod y ffordd eithio, wrth dod y ffordd eithio, wrth dod y ffordd eithio nos heno. And now they're asking for cake, dishan, rasfelius, a fob short o spaces. Wel torwch yn ratus, wel torwch yn ratus, wel torwch yn ratus y gwyla. But inside they're saying that they're getting nothing. They say, dos geni, ddim cynno, I glarian i'w gwario, I neud i'ch roeso, I neud i'ch roeso, I neud i'ch roeso nos heno. But now they're going to ask for beer. Well, tapwch a barel, a llynwch yn reigel, na byddwch yn gynnil, a byddwch yn gynnil, na byddwch yn gynnil y gwyla. And inside they say they're getting nothing. Yma farilyn o gwrw a splendid, ond chewch i'r un llymyd, ond chewch i'r un llymyd, ond chewch i'r un llymyd os hyn. Oh God, open the doors to us. Well, tyna o bochta a gorwch a grysa, voice y cwnseila, I voice y cwnseila, I voice y cwnseila o'r croeso. And by this time they're all totally exhausted and tired of singing. So those inside say, a bochta a dynw a drysa, a gorwch ar fari groesawn, ar fari groesawn, ar fari groesawn, in gwyla.